Everyone, my name is MOHAMMED. I complete my degree in BE Mechanical Engineering. I am interested to join a designing field only. Okay, but I know about designs. My friend referred to CAD center in Dindigul. I like to join a CAD center. I have selected 2 courses in Autocad and PDMS. Staff Mr. Pragadish, he is teaching about my AutoCADs. First I start basics of AutoCADs. I complete my courses in AutoCAD. This is my project drafting and road side car. I complete my project within 2 days. I don't know about mechanical drawings and views, but I learned lot of engineering drawings. I gained my knowledge in CAD Center Dindigul. I like to refer my friends and juniors. Thank you.
CAD Center Dindigul, 24 Spencer Compund, second floor, Thiruvalluvar Salai, near bus stand, Dindigul. Mobile number 9159977002 93612 43747.